And now I want to add an image, and I don't have a question about this image, I just want to add it for decoration on my form. So I've got two text questions. Down here underneath Add Item, there's a drop down. I'm going to click on that and choose Image. Now there are a lot of different ways you can get images, just like you can in all the other Google apps except Google Sites. You can upload an image, you can take a snapshot from your webcam, you can paste it in by copying the URL to the image. You can go to your albums, which would be in Picasa. This would be your Picasa web albums. You can get them from images in your Google Drive, or you can search Google for images. Now I've already found an image, so I'm going to use by URL. So I'm going to cancel this for a second and go and copy. Here's my image I want to use. So I just click in the URL bar and do Command C, Control C if you're on a PC. Copied the URL for the image. Now I'm going to go back to my roster, Add Item and Image, and click on By URL, and I'll paste that in and wait for a second, make sure that shows up. Yep. And then click on Select. Give it a minute. There's my image. Now I could give it a name. There's no way to ask a question about an image with the image itself. So if your question is going to be, if you want to ask a question about an image in your form, if you're going to use it for a quiz or a test, you could ask the question first and make that one item. And you could say something like in the image below or in the image above, and then ask your question. That's about the only way to do that because they come in as separate items. So now if you want to adjust your image, you click on it just like you do any other image and click and drag, and you can make it smaller. And your only other option is how you want to align it. So I'll put this in the middle and click on Done. And now let's go look at my live form. And there it is, my two text questions and my image.